Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soaps YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a restock on our charcoal and goat milk soap today. It's part of our premium line. So a lot of people may not realize this, but this soap is unscented. There is no fragrance, and we don't do fragrance oils at all in the premium line. But this one also does not have essential oils. So I know a lot of people at the markets will pick it up and smell it and not realize that it is not meant to smell any sort of way. So last time I did just like a small little swirl in there. I'm still not sure exactly how I want to design this one, but we're just gonna throw it all together and we're gonna have fun with it. So let's get started. Okay, so in this bucket I have my base oils melted down and brought to room temperature. Before I add my lye water solution, I'm going to put in our powdered goat's milk. Now I'm going to add my lye solution. I'm going to separate just a little bit of this into a smaller container. Just a small portion of this soap will not have the charcoal. I would like a contrasting color for our swirl. About that much. Alright, and here's our activated charcoal we're going to add in there. Now usually I do mix this up with oil before putting it in the batter just because it'll go airborne, but I wanted to put the milk and the charcoal in these cute little bowls today. So now for the pour. Okay, so here is the soap up close, and I just did just cute little swirlies, and I'm so excited because I finally have enough leftover batter to make myself a soap in this flower mold. I'm so excited to use it. So I decided on a charcoal and goat milk sunflower soap bar for myself. And there's the remake of it. Okay, so I am gonna let this sit overnight and then I'll bring you guys back in for the cut.